If you like your mornings to start with a 10-meter swim, you'll love it here at Mouana Serenity Cherng Talay.
Saírem de dentro da mata fechada, só ouviram gritos da noite, saúde açoite pela madrugada.
In this video, we're going to walk through the location, layout, and design of Mouana Serenity, and why these villas are interesting, not just as a holiday home, but also as a long-term investment here in Phuket. Mouana Serenity sits in northern Cherng Talay, in a pocket that's becoming one of Phuket's most desirable villa zones. From here, you're about 8 to 10 minutes to Boat Avenue, Porto de Phuket, Laguna Golf, and the Laguna Resort Complex. Beaches like Bang Tao and Lion are roughly 10 to 15 minutes away, and Phuket International Airport is around 20 to 25 minutes by car. Close enough for convenience, but far enough to feel peaceful, so you get that quiet residential feel, but still have supermarkets, restaurants, schools, hospitals, and beach clubs all within a short drive. There are two main villa types here. Type A starts from around 360 square meters of usable area, while Type B moves up to roughly 413 to 465 square meters with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Every villa comes with 2 covered parking spaces and a private pool of about 10 by 4 meters, big enough for proper laps, not just a plunge pool. Inside, the heart of the villa is this open-plan living, dining, and kitchen space that opens straight onto the pool terrace. The glass sliders run almost the full width, so when everything is open, you get that seamless indoor and outdoor flow. Ceiling heights are generous, with recessed lighting and cove details that give a soft resort feel. The kitchen is designed as a social space, long island counter, plenty of storage, and space to add full appliance packages or a second prep kitchen depending on how you use the villa. The master suite and first guest bedroom typically face the pool, so you wake up to water and greenery. Bathrooms are spacious, with double vanities and a separate bathtub and shower in the master. Outside is where these villas really shine. You have a full-length private pool framed by a wraparound terrace, enough space for sun loungers, a small outdoor dining set, and a barbecue corner. For buyers, this works as a lifestyle home and a strategic long-term hold. You're in a corridor that's seeing strong demand from both end users and renters, close enough to Laguna, international schools, golf courses, and some of Phuket's best beaches. If you're considering a villa in Cherng Talay and want something that combines privacy, design, and investment potential, Mouana Serenity is definitely a project to have on your shortlist. If you're interested about learning more about this beautiful villa project, reach out to us today.